In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to a blog in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean functional search form sitting right on your blog page, ready for styling and customization inside the Webflow designer. First, log into Webflow. Head to the Webflow website and sign in so you can access your dashboard. This gets you into the designer where you'll make all your visual changes. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace so you don't add the search bar to the wrong project. Next, open your project. From your dashboard, click into the specific project that contains your blog. Once the designer loads, navigate to the page where you want your search bar to appear. Many blogs place it in the header, the sidebar, or near the top of the blog index page. Keep in mind that the location you choose now will guide how visitors discover content later, so think about visibility and convenience for readers. Now click on Add Element. In the designer, look to the left side for the panel with the Elements library. This is where all the building blocks live, things like headings, images, forms, and components. Clicking it opens a list you can scroll through with categories to help you find what you need. Look for the Search element. As you browse the element list, you'll see one labeled Search, usually with a magnifying glass icon so it's easy to spot. This is Webflow's built-in search form. It comes pre-configured as a form field with a Submit button, and it's designed to blend into your layout once you style it. If you have a large list of elements, take your time and scan carefully so you grab the correct one. Finally, drag it to your workspace. Click and hold the search element, then drag it onto the canvas. As you hover over different parts of your page, you'll notice placement guides indicating where it can be dropped, inside your navbar, within a sidebar div, or above your list of posts. Release the mouse when you see the position you want highlighted. You'll immediately see the search field appear on the page. From here, you can adjust its size, alignment, and styling later in the Style panel to match your brand and place it exactly where your readers will expect it. That's it. You logged in, opened your project, clicked Add Element, found the search element, and dragged it into place. You now have a searchable entry point for your blog content, ready for your design finishing touches.